Hi, I'm Pete Muller, and we're at Tint World in Longwood, Orlando, Florida, and we just installed the new Morimoto XB LED headlights in this 2018 F-150. Let's take a look at how they work. So we just finished installing these brand new headlight assemblies from Morimoto. These are the Morimoto XB LED headlights. And from everything that we saw, from the way that they're manufactured, these are some of the most impressive headlight assemblies we have ever worked with here. The features that these have, it's just pretty much everything you would ever want in a headlight assembly. All LEDs for the high beams as well as the low beams. And then one of the really cool features that this has is the sequential blinker. So the moment you put on your blinker, really neat looking feature there. It goes straight from white to amber. So we are one of the area's largest dealers of Morimoto brand LEDs, HIDs, and all of their lighting and accessories. And we look forward to bringing this truck out and demonstrating it at local car shows and events. And as always, feel free to come and stop by Tint World, and we'd be happy to give you a demonstration of these lights and any other lights that we have here anytime for your vehicle as well.
Tint World, Longwood on Ronald Reagan Boulevard. Visit tintworld.com.